Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. You can install Jameica with the following command. Then you can run it from the main menu of the distribution. Another installation method is by using the flatpak. Install flatpak on your Ubuntu system by using the following commands. Next, add the flathub repository, which is where the software is hosted. Thereafter, you can install Jameica with the following command. And when the whole process is finished, you will be able to run it from the main menu. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.